Tired of the same old, same old? Well, grab yourself some sweet potatoes and some asparagus. I've got mine already washed up and cleaned up. You're just gonna peel your sweet potato, cut it in chunks about yay big, put it in a baking dish, and take some asparagus and just clean it up, cut it, put it right over your sweet potatoes, and we are just going to put little pads of butter on top here and sprinkle it with a little bit of salt. And we're going to cover this with some foil so it doesn't touch the food, and we'll put this in the oven and bake it. Put about 3 tablespoons of butter on there. I'm just going to sprinkle on some salt and some pepper, and I tried to get it down in the pan as best as I can so that the foil isn't touching it, and I think once it gets cooking it's going to shrink down, but I did kind of pop the foil up a little bit so that it's kind of up off of the food. And we're just going to keep it gently closed and up off the food. All right, let's get this in the oven at about 350, and we'll bake this for, I don't know, 35 minutes. We'll test it and see if it's done by poking it, and then we'll take it out. Well, I took my sweet potatoes and asparagus out of the oven. All the butter is melted. Everything is really soft. Let me grab a fork. Nice and tender, and that butter melted in there. I think we need to take a taste test. Oh, that is really good. The butter melted in there, and just a little bit of seasoning. I can taste the asparagus on the sweet potato, and I love the both of them. The asparagus is cooked, a little crunchy, and I like that because the sweet potatoes are really soft. Something baked together. Simple side dish. When you don't have no time to cook, believe me, you've got time to cook. Sweet potatoes can be so cheap. These are like 65 cents a pound. That could feed a family. Oh, so good. Hope you give it a try. Oh, by the way, this cooked at 350 for about an hour.